Hello all, my name is Sakil Ansari and I am a data scientist. So this is the fourth video of my playlist Logistic Regression from Scratch. In this video, I am going to implement a logistic regression problem like a classification problem where I will be taking a data set and I will be creating a simple logistic regression model. So I have taken data set from Kaggle, so I will keep the link in the description of my video. So the basically the data set is her digit data set. So basically in this data set, in this problem, we need to identify whether a particular person will be suffering from her disease or not. So if you want to read about about the problems or a statement regarding data set, then you can read these articles from Kaggle and you will find each and every details regarding the data set. So if you see here, there are many features in the data set. Some of them are like sex, so whether a male or female, there is age, there is current smoker, so there is glucose and 10-year risk of coronary heart disease, CH. So binary, one means yes, zero means no. Means one means the person will be suffering from heart disease. Zero means the person won't be suffering from heart disease. So basically, this is a very simple data set, and I'm going to implement logistic regression by using this data set. And I won't be performing any kind of feature engineering. I will create a simple base model by using logistic regression. So let's start from here. So here you can see here I'm importing pandas. So here you can see we have around 4,238 data set and we have 16 features. So in the next cell, I am checking whether there are null values or not. So you can see here in education, we have null values. In BP mates, we have null values. In glucose, we have null values. So yes, so I'm checking the column names. You can see I'm displaying the column names. So you can see the column names here. And as I mentioned, I'm going to create a very simple base model. So for this video, I am taking only those features which don't have any null values. So in future, I am going to do some kind of feature engineering as well. But for this video, I am taking only those values that don't have any null values. So basically these are the features which don't have any null values. So I'm selecting from data column. So you can see here, yes. So now here I am checking the distribution of the class. So you can see here for zero class we have 3, 5, 9, 4, and for one we have only 644 data. So basically the data set is in balanced data set. So but now in this video I'm not going to handle imbalanced data as well. Okay, so in this cell I am going to separate dependent and independent features. So in this data, basically this 10 years, yes, this is our target variable, and other features are our independent features. So I am separating in this cell now. And yes, so one important thing regarding logistic regression, if you want to perform a logistic regression, then you need to perform a scale. Either you can perform a standard scalar or you can perform min max scale. So here I am performing a standard scalar. So, and other thing here I am splitting the data into train and test set, and I am taking test size 0.2. Now here you can see here I am importing logistic regression from sklearn.linear underscore model, and here you can see here I am creating the object of logistic regression, and here I am calling this object and I am fitting x train, y train, and here I am doing y predict logistic predict on our test data. Okay. So if you want to see the predict value, you can also see, yes, you can see here. So it will be in array. If you want to convert into data frame, you can convert it. Now here I am checking the accuracy, the matrix. So basically I am importing confusion matrix from sklearn matrix, and also I am importing accuracy underscore score from sklearn dot matrix. And here you can see here I am calling this accuracy score and passing y underscore test and our predicted value. So it will give the accuracy, the model. Now I'm importing one classification report. It will give the like our to this precision recall, F1 score and support. Okay, so here I am not going to calculate confusion matrix. Probably I will calculate confusion matrix in my next video. So here you can see here I am passing y test and y predict, and you can see here. So we have 0.84 precision, 0.99 recall is very much high, and 0.91 is F1 score. And if you see here, basically I'm getting accuracy around 0.83, but we need to perform some kind of engineering as the data is imbalance. So I will take that session in my next video. But the purpose of this video is to show the how we can create basic method by using logistic regression. Now we created the model. Now I want to save this model in my local system. So I'm importing pickle and I'm giving the my model name model.save, and I'm calling that our model, and here I'm saving now. So now in this step I am loading my saved model, and I am checking the saved model on our test data. So you can see here load, I'm clicking load the file name, result you can see here. I am passing yes test and on y test, and I am calculating the result. So you can see 0.83. So now in my next video, what I'm going to do, like I will show you how we can deploy this model at Hugging Face. That's why I named this playlist as a logistic regression into in implementation. So thank you and happy learning.